contacts missing from Android or new contacts appearing on your Android phone on Samsung. So if you're having such issues, the issue is likely with the sync settings. So first of all, simply launch the contacts app on your device, on a Galaxy device. Then tap the three dots icon from the top right hand side and simply go to settings. Here you can see default storage location. So basically whatever contacts that you have, if you have multiple accounts signed in, you can select that Google account to save it to, and it could be mixed because you might have used multiple accounts. So when you've turned on sync from multiple Google accounts, whatever contacts was saved in that Google account, if that Google account was logged in on someone else's Google device, then the contacts from those devices will be synced to yours. In that case, you can turn off sync from a specific Google account if you wish. And you can also go ahead and then select merge duplicate contacts, or you can import or export contacts if you wish to. That's all for this video. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.